ADP is America's #1 producer of evaporator coils. Why? We've made high-quality coils right here in the U.S. for 30 years. We design coils for a perfect fit every time. Our coils are tested and reliable, and our innovation labs are constantly working on new ideas, like our exclusive use of Microban in drain pans to prevent mildew. ADP offers flexibility. We make coils to fit all makes and models of residential HVAC systems. We're always open to new partnerships with businesses and the communities we serve. We can design and make a custom product to fit any application. We solve problems by providing outstanding solutions. ADP makes more than 10,000 different products. Has advanced technical capabilities, and short lead times are normal. At ADP, we're experts at what we do. And that's why ADP is the #1 producer of evaporator coils in the USA.